Welcome to 2112 Carindale Drive in fabulous Newmarket. Come take a tour with us.
Here we are in the formal dining room surrounded by this classic trim work that transitions into the kitchen with an everyday eating area. In the kitchen we have granite countertops surrounded by stainless steel appliances and custom backsplash.
And in the living room we have a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, coffered ceilings, and hardwood floors.
Thanks for joining us on our tour.
Contact us for more information.